Hey everybody, it's me, Jeannie Becker, back to tell you about the staff campaign, or as Jeannie likes to call it, the Shooting for the Stars Challenge. That's right, people, because I am a star. So each team will shoot for 100% participation, people. That's what I'm talking about. That's star power. And also submit an arthritis-friendly challenge to 3 other teams. You can use the Arthritis Society Top 10 exercises to give you inspiration. You can use the Physical Activities and Arthritis booklet to get you inspired. Jeannie's team, for example, has already reached 100% participation. That's what I'm talking about. That's the star in me, 100% participation. And we returned our reply forms. That was part of it. And we did shoulder exercises every day for a week. From this form, shoulder exercises. Yes, people, Jeannie did shoulder exercises. To music, it helped. Anyway, Jeannie would like to challenge 3 other teams. I'd like to challenge Thunder Bay, Team Kingston, and the Toronto Finance team. You people have 48 hours, that's it, 48 hours to get your team rallied towards 100% participation and to submit a challenge. Jeannie Becker out. Good luck to ya.